Paano mag-multiply at mag-divide ng fraction? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. So, sobrang simple lang ng gagawin kapag mag-multiply ng dalawang fraction. Kailangan lang natin i-multiply yung dividend ng dalawang fraction and yung i-multiply din yung dalawang denominator ng dalawang fraction. So, unahin natin to, yung dalawang dividend ng dalawang fraction. So, 2 times 5 is 10 over 3 times 6, yung dalawang denominator naman. So, 3 times 6 is 18. And then, pwede pa silang i-lowest term. So, pareha silang divisible by 2. So, 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 18 divided by 2 is 9. So, hindi na sila pwede i-lowest term. So, ayan. So, paano naman kapag magdi-divide tayo ng dalawang fraction? So, ang una natin gagawin is i-convert muna natin tong division into multiplication. So, paano natin gagawin yon? Meron tayong tinatawag na keep, change, change method. So, ano yung keep, change, change method? So, ang keep, change, change method is makakatulong sa atin para ma-convert yung division into multiplication. So, yung keep is i-keep lang natin tong unang fraction. Yung change is papalitan natin yung division ng multiplication. Tapos yung change ulit is papalitan natin tong 3 over 8 or ire-reciprocal natin, babaligtarin lang natin sila. So gawin natin, i-keep lang natin to, yung unang fraction 1 over 4. Copy lang, tapos change natin yung division into multiplication and then reciprocal ng 3 over 8 or 8 over 3. So, ganun lang. Sana na-gets nyo. Napakadali lang. And then, ngayon, naging multiplication na siya and pwede na nating i-multiply yung dividend tapos yung denominator. So, 1 times 8 is 8. And then, 4 over 3, 4 times 3 is 12. And pwede pa nating i-lowest term. So, divisible sila parehas by 4. So, 8 divided by 4 is 2. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. And, ayun yung sagot.